If Steam won't let you add your phone number and you keep seeing the message, an error occurred while attempting to add this phone number, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the most effective ways to fix the problem quickly and safely in 2026. This issue is usually caused by regional formatting, VOIP restrictions, browser interference, or Steam security filters blocking the number you entered. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it without needing to contact support right away. Before we get into the steps, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and best fix is to use the Steam mobile app instead of the desktop website or client. A lot of phone number errors happen on the browser version because of local script issues, cache problems, or extensions interfering with the form. So open the Steam app on your phone, tap your profile icon, go into settings, and then open account details. From there, try adding your phone number directly inside the mobile app. In many cases, the mobile version accepts the number even when the desktop version refuses it. This is the fastest and most reliable place to start. If that still doesn't work, the next thing you need to check is formatting. Steam is extremely strict about how phone numbers are entered, and even one small mistake can trigger the error. If your number has a country code like +44 and your local number starts with a 0, do not include that 0 after the country code. For example, instead of typing 07123, you would enter it as +44 and then 7123. Also, try removing all spaces, dashes, and extra symbols. Enter the number as one clean string of digits if possible. So instead of typing it in a formatted style, try entering it like 447123456789. Steam often reads that much more accurately. Another important check is your region. Go into your Steam account details and make sure your store country matches the country code of the phone number you are trying to add. If your Steam account region does not match your phone number region, Steam may block it as a fraud prevention measure. This is especially common if you recently moved, use a number from another country, or changed your account region in the past. Matching the region as closely as possible can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about the type of number you are using, because this is one of the biggest reasons Steam rejects phone numbers in 2026. Steam is much stricter now with restricted number types. If you are using a VoIP number, such as Google Voice, Skype, or another virtual number, Steam will often reject it as invalid. These services are commonly blocked because they are not tied to a physical SIM card. Steam usually wants a real mobile number that can receive SMS codes normally. Landlines also will not work since they cannot receive the verification text, and if your number was previously connected to a banned or suspicious Steam account, it may have been blacklisted. In that case, the only real solution is to contact Steam support and ask them to review the number. If you're still stuck, try refreshing your browser session. Open Steam in an incognito or private browsing window and try again there. This helps clear out old cookies, cache, and any browser extensions that may be breaking the page. Ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy extensions can all interfere with the phone number form. A clean private window can sometimes fix the issue instantly. There is also one more thing to keep in mind. Steam may temporarily soft lock phone number attempts if you try too many times in a short period. If you have already tried several times within an hour, stop making new attempts and wait at least 24 hours before trying again. That cooldown period can reset the security restriction and let the system accept your number later. After the wait, go back to the mobile app method first because that still gives you the best chance of success. So to quickly recap, the best order is this. First, try the Steam mobile app. Second, check your formatting and remove the leading 0 after the country code. Third, confirm your region matches your number. Fourth, make sure you are not using a VoIP, landline, or blacklisted number. And fifth, if needed, use incognito mode or wait out the cooldown before trying again. One of these fixes usually solves the issue. If this tutorial helped you fix Steam's phone number error, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Steam account fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.